I started out 17 years ago. I was 370 pounds. I made a decision to have gastric bypass surgery. With that, I lost 160 pounds. And so a couple years ago, I wanted to have that lower skin removed on my stomach, which is called a panniculectomy. So I went and visited a plastic surgeon, and I took a friend of mine with me that works for weight management in Centralia. And while we were sitting there, she was like, "Why are we here? Like, why are we at a plastic surgeon? I work for one of the best surgeons around." And she said, "You really should, come talk to her." And so I made an appointment with SSM Weight Management in Centralia and met Dr. Ibendale. And literally from my first minute I met her, I knew that she was the surgeon for me. And it was just as phenomenal as my first surgery was. Phenomenal all the way from those couple appointments at Weight Management, all the way to my pre-op, to the girls on the floor, all the way to housekeeping, cafeteria. Every decision I've made through SSM, everything was absolutely phenomenal. And they don't just offer the weight loss surgery, they have other options as well. I just didn't have any idea they did the skin removal and things like that right there in Centralia, and they do. It's pretty awesome. It makes me feel confident in every way, but it's also completely a life change. I feel like I'm just now starting to live, if that makes sense. Everybody says, well, I'm gonna try this or that, or I'm gonna do this. I did the same thing, and I'm at this age doing this. Just do it. Just get over the scared part, and anything that is kind of scary makes you stronger, and it's made me stronger. I'm Shelly, and back in 2007, I had gastric bypass surgery done. And then in 2024, I had a panniculectomy, and I've lost a total of 200 pounds.